Hello everyone. Today my PHP is going to recommend an extension of Joomla. It is a MJClone component. MJClone is a component of Joomla for cloning any website of Joomla by installing the MJClone components on Joomla website and using these components to clone the website of Joomla and get the zip files of cloning the Joomla website. Let's see the advantages of the MJClone components. It can clone the Joomla website easily, and it can be used as backup of the Joomla website, and it is user-friendly. Let's see how to use the MJClone components. The first one, log in the system in the control panels. Then go to the components, then MJClone. There will be two menus of the MJClone component, which are Clone Your Joomla menu and Setting menu. Choose the Clone Joomla menu and then the MJClone page will appear. Then Click to Start. After cloning the website, a pop-up will appear automatically. Then you can choose a folder to save the zip files from cloning. After that, you can extract the zip files to install the Joomla website, or you just keep it as a backup file. To sum up, you can use the MJClone component to clone the Joomla website, to create another Joomla website, or to keep it as a backup of the Joomla website. If you install the file from cloning, the clone Joomla website and the original Joomla website will be identical. If you are interested in other Joomla extension, you can visit the website myphp.com for more information. Thank you very much for your attention.